Hi, I'm GuyRCook, and I wanted to talk today on October the 7th how to check your IP to see if it's blacklisted or not. A blacklisted IP has got a lot of negative consequences. I can't think of anything good about being blacklisted, hence the name blacklist. It'll damage your reputation. It'll result in poor email delivery if you've got that service on your network. Reduced website visibility because they're going to think you're a spammer, okay? Lost business opportunities. Blacklisted IPs generally don't get a good reception anywhere that you go. So the reduced range that you get from, oftentimes blacklisted IP, it's not a good thing. Now, I've got a cure. If you go to the Google document I've got over at the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com about blacklist check from MX Toolbox, it's got a tool in there that'll check your IP address, see if it's on over 100 DNS-based email blacklists, commonly called the real-time blacklist, or DNS-LBL for short. Checking your blacklist status is important. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.